kitchen and it's tasty.
Yeah, just spent an M on a bezel, got me for embezzlement. Lately I'm fucking and check up so much that I can't even say that I'm celibate. I've been to hell and back with all this water on me and I'm still in my element. Who really winning when it come to getting this money? Depend on who telling it. Back in my line of sight, I could do this with my eyes closed. It feel like magic the way that it work. Disappear, man, the plug out it mind blown. I had a 10-piece inside of the trunk. I chopped it in half for a wide load. I got a 4 on me now and I know I'm the one, so I don't fuck with 5-0. Pussy, I know I'm the one. No, I'm not second, I gotta keep with a weapon. I got an eye for all of you haters, so this time around I'm gonna teach you a lesson. No recollection, light up another backwood, cause I'm tryna eat my aggression. Fuck with me once, can't fuck with me twice, so it's gonna get messy. Took a flight just to get a connection, tryna double up on all my investments. How the fuck am I gonna go back to broke? Dog when I'm always finessing, told the shorty throw that in my direction. I'ma hit it once, leave an impression. Homie said he thought a new piece worth $500,000. Correction. Yeah, just spent an M on a bezel, got me for embezzlement. Lately I'm fucking and check up so much that I can't even say that I'm celibate. I've been to hell and back with all this water on me and I'm still in my element. Who really winning when it come to getting this money? Depend on who telling it. Back in my line of sight, I could do this with my eyes closed. It feel like magic the way that it work. Disappear, man, the plug out it mind blown. I had a 10-piece inside of the trunk. I chopped it in half for a wide load. I got a 4 on me now and I know I'm the one, so I don't fuck with 5-0.
In the kitchen and it's tasty.
We ain't scared of no police, bitch. We got guns too. Don't need no tank, homies hanging out the sunroof. World going crazy as of lately, it ain't nothing new. You know I'ma die for somebody, tell me what to do. Ain't scared of no police, bitch. We got guns too. Don't need no tank, homies hanging out the sunroof. World going crazy as of lately, it ain't nothing new. You know I'ma die for somebody, tell me what to do. And you know I'm a man, so ain't no such thing as too much to handle. Ain't gon' panic like what I'm hearing on the TV channel. I don't practice my aim, I don't stack up on ammo. In the crib, dressed in camo, I'ma turn into a vandal like my dad taught. Clutching on that Mac 11 with my mask off. Cause I know where it's headed on the earth for. Tryna tell us where we headed for. I ever live in hell, I'ma take your ass to heaven. Yeah, I'ma die by my pride, with a magazine and my blood by my side. They tell you it's land of the free, but you can't go outside. Before I lay it down, I'ma ride. We ain't scared of no police, bitch. We got guns too. Don't need no tank, homies hanging out the sunroof. World going crazy as of lately, it ain't nothing new. You know I'ma die for somebody, tell me what to do. Ain't scared of no police, bitch. We got guns too. Don't need no tank, homies hanging out the sunroof. World going crazy as of lately, it ain't nothing new. You know I'ma die for somebody, tell me what to do. I got the ammo with the crib stocked up, so ain't nobody that I fear. Protect myself, cause you know cops suck. Why they killing people, we got no idea. They got crooked ass agendas, I still remember. They lied to us by the 11th day of September. Tried to make the country cold, too hard to enter. Made the people feel divided, so we surrender. They ain't leave us with no options, we had to make it. We come together, that's a power they ain't estimating. The other outcome is devastating. We gon' die for the freedom of our generations. We ain't scared of no police, bitch. We got guns too. Don't need no tank, homies hanging out the sunroof. World going crazy as of lately, it ain't nothing new. You know I'ma die for somebody, tell me what to do. Ain't scared of no police,